Hello! K.1! Welcome to IP English Time with your teacher, Teacher Lisa. Today we will learn all about the big letter D, the capital letter D. Do you remember the letter D sound? D. Well done. So, before we start with the capital letter D, let's do a little review. Do you remember our letter D words? Letter D is for? Let's start with some vocabulary words. Do you know some letter D words? Let's have a look. Letter D. Letter D is for? Dog. Dog. Very good. And letter D is also for? Doll. Doll. Excellent. Our next letter D word. Letter D is for? Donut. Yummy. Can you repeat? Donut. Very good. We have one more letter D word. What is this? Letter D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur. Very good. You know some letter D words now. Now it is time to learn how to write the capital letter D, the big letter D. Okay, if you are ready, put one finger up please, and we will trace the big letter D together. 1, 2. Capital letter D. Let's do that one more time. One finger up, please. 1, 2. Okay, I think you are ready. We are going to write the capital letter D. If you have a piece of paper, we can write together. Okay, let's write. 1, 2. Capital letter D. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2. Capital letter D. This is the big letter D. You know how to write the letter D now. It is time for a game. Can you recognize the big letter D, the capital letter D? Let's see. Is it letter D, yes or no? I will put some letters in the green box. I will take one letter out. Is it letter D, yes or no? Okay, our first letter. Is this letter D? No, it's not. It's letter A. Okay, our next letter. Is it letter D? Yes or no? Yes, this is letter D. Very good. Our next letter. Is this letter D? Yes or no? No, it's not. It's letter C. Okay, let's take one more letter. Are you ready? Is this letter D? Yes or no? Yes, it is. This is capital letter D. Kids, well done. You can recognize the big letter D now. Well done in today's lesson. You did so good. So, this is the end of our lesson today. You've learned how to write the capital letter D and you can recognize the big letter D now. Very good. Well done. Thank you for watching this lesson and I will see you again next time. Bye bye.